మీది ఎక్కడ?
మాది కడపలో.
So till now you know that how to create order, right?
Yeah.
But you don't know how to generate the invoices.
Yeah.
So that I will give day after tomorrow. Because right now OTC SIT is not functioning correctly. And I'm going to give the session on cash assets module. This one. From this module we are ingesting the payment to the ARs, AR modules. That is this module. Okay. You have account. You have created account, but you don't have the amount in the account. Okay. So far you have invoices and you have transactions, and that all the invoices and transactions I will explain in accounts receivable module. So just I'm giving that how to create the payment to the particular accounts, how to ingest the payment. Okay. Master. First day you missed, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the diagram which I usually it starts with account creation. Account creation, and next one is account creation. Using this both and create order. I'm going to pay attention. That's the order creation. Once the order is created, then order should be released. For this you need to run the batches. Okay, after the order is released, then it went to the shipment. Okay, for this I will explain later how to ship the orders. Once the shipment is done, then invoice is generated for this particular order. Okay, so once the invoice is generated, this needs to be into the AR. This should be ingested into the AR. Ingest into AR. Okay. For example, you have account 149000124. This is your account. Using this account, I generated one order with order quantity 100 quantity. The price of this quantity is $1,000. Okay. You have account.
Yeah, right.
This is account creation.
Right.
And you will create an order with using this item.
Okay.
This item quantity is 100 quantity. Using this item, you created one order. Okay. This order amount is this one, $1,000.
Okay.
This $1,000 will apply on after the shipment. So these all information is available in the invoice module. So we have invoice with some assets. Okay, the quantity of 100 quantity and amount of $1,000. That means you need to pay $100, but in this account you have no money initially. Okay. First, once the account is creation, default credit limit is $500 only.
Right.
Okay,
Right.
but your invoice is $1,000. So
I have a question. When that order gets released,
yes, order is released.
if the customer is, say we order, when order is,
Then you can increase the credit limit.
okay.
You can increase the credit limit. If the credit limit is increased, then order will release. So from here you need to pay $1,000. So but in your account you have no money initially.
Okay.
So for this you need to ingest payment for this particular invoice or account. Okay? You need to ingest $1,000 into the AR modules. Into AR module. The invoice is ingested into AR. Okay? In this AR module you have one invoice with $1,000 amount. So for this you need to pay $1,000. For this you need to ingest the cash through cash modules into AR. Okay? These payments are different types of four types of payments: cash, check, wire, and credit card. Using these four types of payment, you can ingest the payment into the AR. Once the payment is ingested into the AR, you can apply the amount using that amount. So now I am explaining about these payment types, how to ingest these types of payments. Okay?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Here, in order to pay the $1,000, we are ingesting the amount to the account
Right.
through AR module.
Through cash system module to AR.
Through cash module to AR.
Yeah.
So I'm not understanding. I mean, I'm not getting the point. Why we have to we have to transfer the money from here, where the precondition of order processing is the customer should have a amount or limit. I'm not sure whether I'm
Yeah,
asking correctly or not.
You have the amount in the account section only. That needs to ingest into the ARs.
Okay, this is a required process for every order,
So yes, every transaction.
for every transaction.
Yes, every transaction.
Okay.
You have amount. You have default amount is 500. You have increased into the $1,500.
Okay.
But this amount is not into the AR.
Okay.
So for this you need to ingest this $1,500 through cash module into the AR.
Okay, got it.
Okay. While ingesting into the cash into the AR, it will ingest through some transaction codes. Through transaction code, you can identify whether this is cash payment or a credit payment or wire payment or check
Generally,
payment.
it's kind of paying
Yes.
amount to the order.
Yes. While ingesting to the AR, it will give some control number that I will show you in this screen.
Okay.
Control number means just unique identification number. For example, if you pay any online transaction, then one control number is displayed, right? So that is a control number. That is the identification unique number.
Receipt. Okay, got it. No, I got it.
Here is very interesting. Here, there are a lot of things will be there here. And even time consuming is also 3 times the other models. I mean, if you take the adjust model,
There is the heart of the OTC.
if you take order which is taking 6 hours, or inventory which is 7 hours, now this is taking some 20 hours.
So you understood the scenario. You understood, Sunil?
Yeah, but
You have any questions? Yes, please.
I don't understand why there's a need to ingest if I make an order and if I have a credit balance, directly it has to be directed from that account.
No. yesterday they implemented one news here. That is so for example you have $1,000 of invoice amount, right? Zero one is the transaction code for this one, 100 quantity. So you need to pay $1,000. Okay. While ingesting into the AR module, cash receipts module, you ingested exactly $1,000 into the AR. Okay. In this scenario, it will automatically close this invoice. Apply this 1,000 to the particular invoice, and this invoice should be closed. For this, yesterday they implemented one new scenario in the AR module. CFS customer maintenance claim. In this claim, one new checkbox. Bypass cash. This was implemented yesterday. If you uncheck this checkbox in the CFS screen, then it will automatically search with the exact amount whether the invoices are available in the particular account. If it matches with any particular invoice, then it will automatically close that invoice. If it is not found any invoice, then the amount in the open state only. If you check this checkbox, then it will not automatically closing this invoice. Your question is, you have a amount, then it will automatically close, right?
Yeah.
That is in the yesterday they implemented this scenario.
His doubt is when the customer is having a credit balance of 1,500.
Yeah.
Why
that amount?
AR is required.
That
Why
amount.
AR is required? Is saying.
That amount should ingest into the AR modules.
No, basically,
That is in the account module only.
to process an order, there should be a limit for the.
That is a dummy amount, Naya Krupa.
Dummy amount.
That is a dummy amount, just.
Okay.
No, not dummy amount. Account lo untadi.
Okay.
AR lo ingest avvali.
But again, this is a
Okay.
separate process.
So why do we keep that amount? He is asking.
No.
Your
Why this AR is required basically? Just
AR required. AR is for closing the transactions.
using
So you have an invoice.
Okay.
So invoice is coming to your home or office. So from there you need to pay the amount, right?
Okay. Yes.
So these amount, all transactions should be there in the AR modules. So for this, the cash is there, order is there, invoice is there with you, cash is there, but cash is not ingested into the AR modules to close this invoice, to pay the invoice.
See, basically, you should understand this. We have created an order. Okay? This order amount is $100.
Okay.
Okay? Now A is the customer. Customer has to, now this $100, B is the quantity. B is shipped into A. Then the shipment information will be sent to OTC. From here, invoice will be generated. This invoice is an open state,
Okay.
not processed, because there is an invoice for this customer of $100 which the customer has not paid.
Okay.
Okay, this invoice will be sent to the customer.
Yeah.
That is unofficial. This invoice is sent to the customer. Customer has to pay now.
Okay.
Customer can pay through check, wire, or
Cash,
cash,
credit card.
credit card.
Mm-hmm.
This will be taken care by cash management module.
Okay.
Now customer says, I am giving this cash to you, boss, $100.
Mm-hmm.
This $100 has to be entered into cash management.
Okay.
Now A
So
customer,
first you need to show the amount available in the your account.
Okay.
Then only you can create the
cash
order.
management model that will reflect in AR.
cash management, the customer is having some $100.
Yeah.
Order invoice is in open state for this customer.
Mm-hmm.
This everything has to be moved into AR.
Okay.
Accounts receivable.
Okay.
This is AR, cash management, invoice.
Mm-hmm.
Now $100 invoice is there, $100 cash is there. They have to apply. This everything takes place in AR. Accounts receivable is there because company will see at this and will come to know whether this customer has paid $100 or not. Nowhere in the application you will come to know that
The
the
transaction
transaction has taken place.
So transactions will be taken care
Here,
of.
here it will be interface tables. Now when you ingest, it will go in the ER tables. That is all.
Thanks.
So account receivable to the company for HBG, it will go and look at the AR, how much money it has to get. Nowhere order is just order management. That's it. Nothing to do with the money. Order management. Cash management, only money. Order is there, money is there. Now these both has to be pulled into AR.
Means it is just a backup for a
Not backup, it is a real one.
real one.
Real one.
Okay.
Where you can see invoices, where you can see money.
While creating account, we are providing credit limit, right? So
Hmm.
that is a dummy amount or else it is a real?
Credit limit is
That is the real amount.
Real amount only.
So real amount that is there.
Hmm.
For an account, one user.
No, while creating an order, you need to show some amount.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
that will be flown to.
That will not flow into the hours.
That won't flow to a.
But in order to create an order, place an order, balance has to be there, right? Means greater than or equal to the amount which are making.
No, that is a credit check to the customer. That this customer can order
This much.
Up to $500.
up to $500. That is the credit check. రియల్ అయితే లేదు రూపాయలు అది.
రియల్గా ఉంటుంది
అది ఇప్పుడు మనం క్రెడిట్ చెక్ లో కస్టమర్ లో 1500 అని ఇస్తాం కదా,
కస్టమర్ క్రెడిట్ సిఎఫ్ఎస్
అది కావాలంటే చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా.
చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
కానీ అది దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు ఎనీ చెక్ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్, రైట్?
చెక్ లేదా క్రెడిట్ లిమిట్ ఆర్డర్ రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది కదా క్రెడిట్ లిమిట్.
ఓకే, అది ఒక్కటి నాకు కూడా అర్థం కాదు.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఆర్డర్ మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు నేను
కస్టమర్ స్క్రీన్ లో మనము అమౌంట్ ఇస్తాం కదా సిఎఫ్ఎస్, హౌ దట్ ఈస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు క్యాష్ మేనేజ్మెంట్.
ఇప్పుడు మన అకౌంట్లో సమ్
ఓకే,
$15,000
ఓకే
ఉందని చూపిస్తున్నాం.
ఉంది అంటే దట్ కస్టమర్ హెస్ ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ టు హెచ్బిజి దట్ మచ్ అమౌంట్
Or is eligible for that.
ఎలిజిబుల్ ఫర్ దట్. You can generate the orders up to this $15,000.
Okay, got it.
Okay.
You need to show the amount, how much amount you have in your account. But this is not into the AR modules.
This is much like
This is
the credit card.
This is threshold limit.
Yeah.
Threshold limit.
Okay. Suppose now customer has paid, took the quantity of $100. And ఇక్కడ తక్కువ $1,000 sum. He has paid $1,000 for some quantity. This will still remain with BCM, right? Okay. Don't get confused. That is what you thought.
That is the threshold limit.
Threshold limit. The customer
Threshold limit
can
to
go
generate the
up to
order. To request any order.
Normally,
If you order more than $15,000, then it will automatically the order went into credit limit status.
Okay.
That's saying that you have no limit, credit limit to order more than $15,000.
Okay. So I think for this we should have the shipment process done and also the invoice should be done, right?
Yes. Once
That
the invoice is generated,
you can
then
just understand a little bit of it. Now, here. Got it, doesn't it?
Yeah. One more doubt.
lot of dots will come. Yeah.
It's just starting. Much will be much clearer once he goes into here.
See, I have placed an order. The credit is 1,000. I have placed an order of 1,000 only. Now what I'll do, I want, there has to be some credit left in my account, 500. So what I'll do, I pay my cash, pay to cash, okay, and means 500, 1,000, and 500 will be remaining in my account.
Okay, is it the
What?
See, I have made an order of 1,000. I have made an account, order of 1,000.
Okay.
Okay, so I want $500 should be there in my account basically.
Minimum
Okay.
balance.
Minimum balance should be there. So what I'll do is I'll pay through cash $500. The invoice is generated. So 500 is deducted from here, and 500 is remaining, right?
No, you're paying only 500, not the 1000.
Not 1000.
Okay.
500 I'm paying to him. So 500 is deducted from this main,
Remind.
from the account, and 500 is paid. 1000 is paid.
The 1000 you are talking about credit limit.
Yeah, credit limit.
No,
Okay.
no, okay.
Okay.
He's saying credit limit is 1500.
No, not 1500. 500 I want to be there in my account, basically. So after paying 500, 500 will be there in my account, right? So does it go to the AR? Does it goes to AR? This information?
No. Actually, credit limit is up to $1,000 worth you can purchase.
That's what.
It is not like that
So
credit limit goes to AR.
Credit limit is to just check that he can place an order or not.
That's it.
Yeah. Then if he has made the order,
With the order with $1000.
yeah. Then
Okay.
what I want.
Then the order is released.
If the user decided that he wants some 500 balance to be left there in the account, he makes.
Yeah, you can pay it.
Yeah, I will pay through
You
cash.
can create the claims.
Yeah, I will pay through cash,
Okay.
and 500 will be remaining in my account.
Yes.
Okay. Then how this transfer is, this amount will be transferred in the AR?
So once the order is generated, that should be flow into the AR
Yeah,
with $1000.
yeah.
So from there you can pay 500 or 1000 or 100, whatever payment you have. The remaining amount you can create claims or some other thing, short pays. There is some other transactions also there. So your basic question is you have $1000 credit limit, and you can order $1000 order. Okay, so that is first this 1000 should be flowing to the AR.
Okay.
Then only you can pay.
Okay.
You may have $500 or $100, whatever amount you have in the account, then you can pay. The remaining amount you can create as a claim, or you can create as a short pay. Okay, that is coming on in the AR model.
There is alternate way for transaction of this, such kind of things.
Basically, customer A has to pay $1000.
Yeah.
Okay. Now he says that I am having only $500. I am paying only $500. Other 500, what HBG says is HBG will pay the claim, add that $500 to his account,
Okay.
and then we will pay the entire amount. But adi mana cover ledhu kada, how this amount HBG gets back? That is, HBG gives a loan of 500.
Okay.
Again, that is different.
అది కవర్ చేస్తున్నాం
Claims create చేస్తాను మనం.
క్లెయిమ్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసేస్తాం కదా. 500 రూపీస్ 1000 రూపీస్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంది అనుకో, 500 రూపీస్ కస్టమర్ దగ్గర ఉంది, ఇంకో 500 రూపీస్ క్లెయిమ్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు. ఆ 500 రూపీస్ మరి ఎట్లా వస్తుంది హెచ్బిజికి? మళ్ళీ
ఇది ఒరిజినల్ అకౌంట్ ఇన్వాయిస్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఒరిజినల్ అకౌంట్ ఇన్వాయిస్ నెంబర్తో ఉంటుంది. సో దాన్ని తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ పే చేయాలి.
పే చేయాలి. యా, దట్స్ ఇట్. 1000 customer A has to pay $1000. 500 he is having now. 500 HBG gives. Says that okay, you are a reliable customer. I will create a claim on you. You pay me afterwards.
Okay.
So if you go to the customer account shows that he owes 500 to HBG.
Okay.
That again through cash management he has to pay to the HBG.
Yeah.
But invoice can be closed with the short pay.
No, the original invoice is not closed.
Okay.
500 is deducted from the invoice. Again, you can create the remaining amount for the claim, and then the new invoice will be generated with the original account. That is linked with the original account. Okay, the original account is closed over the window.
Okay, processed.
Yeah, original account is closed and new invoice is generated. New number, new
For that 500.
for that 500.
Okay.
That is linked with the original account, original invoice.
It's not.
That all are coming in the AR modules.
Yeah.
So this is the AR claim. Okay. So these are all the invoices. This is the amount for each invoice. See, the line status is open. That means you need to pay. Okay. This is here customer inquiry screen. Here 01 indicates the regular invoice. 01C means the charge only invoice. 01A means the rebill invoice. The invoice created date, this one. So this is the aging is 1 to 30 past due for this particular invoice. So take this invoice. This invoice has amount of $533.91. Okay.
We are seeing, I mean, everything in under account receivable now, right? Not the cash.
Cash receipt module. Right now I'm saying the accounts receivable module.
Okay. Customer maintenance.
Here I can give the credit limit.
This is the one you have
Yes,
explained just now, right?
Yes. So first you can maintain the bank details. Okay. The bank details are already there in the system.
We can
So, right.
create a bank.
Yeah, you want, you can create. You see USD and CAD. You want to create the GBP, then you can create the GBP.
Okay.
Just for maintaining the account. The next one is cash receipt data entry. See, the payment types are check, cash, wire. 3 types of payment in this screen, and another one is credit card payment. That is this one, credit card payment entry. From this screen you can pay through credit card. You can provide the credit card details here.
So each screen, I mean, is for different cash type,
Yes.
for different cash payments. Also,
No, this screen is a credit card payment. This is for only credit card. You can provide the credit card details and amount to from the credit card. Here you can give the amount. The credit card number, contact person, everything you can mention here. And here amount, what is the amount you need to ingest into the AR through credit card. First I am showing this screen. Check, cash and wire. These 3 payments. You can select as cash payment and bank account. Through this bank account you can pay to the ingest into the particular account. Here you can provide the 4 digits control number, just like 2345. Tab out. Then the control number is generated with the year, month, date. So what is the payment you need to ingest into the AR? So here my invoice amount is $533.91. Okay, you can give 533.91 and the account number. This invoice is there in this account 149000124. So that's why I give the account number. Understood?
Where is the invoice number here?
Invoice number is in the AR modules.
How the
No, only cash this is.
This is only cash
There are
receipt.
many invoice numbers for
Yes.
that account, right? Then how this
Just you ingest some amount. Just to ingest the
it
AR.
automatically goes to the amount and close the tab.
No,
If you-
you could have 500 okay, 1000 which is. Okay, this 1000, 100,000 we are giving to Suresh.
Okay.
Now Suresh is having 1000 rupees. He has paid 1000 rupees to HBG.
Okay.
Okay, Suresh has 1000 invoices.
Okay.
Suresh has 1000 invoices.
Okay.
Suresh has given $1,000,
Okay.
$100,000 to HBG.
Okay.
So with this 100,000, you can apply to 10 invoices if it's satisfactory. If your amount gets exhausted,
The bulk amount. The bulk amount.
So that means like for my account there are 10 invoices. I give an amount, one bulk amount. It
Mhm.
goes to all.
we have to apply.
Your particular account.
Nothing goes. We have to
We have to apply.
system now.
Okay.
The bulk amount goes into your account.
Okay.
Then from there your wish. So for which invoice you need to apply, for which invoice you need to create claims,
Ma'am.
that's your wish.
Hmm.
The amount goes into your account. That's it.
Again, we have to do that. Which invoice we have to close?
Yes.
Which transaction?
Using this particular transaction, you can navigate into the AR screens. Then you can apply cash for any invoice. Then you can close it.
Created. It will create anything? Any reference number?
No, control number is there.
Okay.
If you want to give the remittance number, then you can provide it.
Remittance number is reference number?
Yes, just like remittance number, reference number.
Which reference number?
You can provide anything. Just save it.
Now this customer account would be pumped by 100,000.
See, total amount is 1 lakh. The records is 1. So this currency is USD. So you have
So I can create a, here also, here can we create any other accounts? Generally, can we create a record for other accounts also, right? That same cash goes to
no.
that way. It increases.
So $1 lakh into this particular account and $3,450 into this account.
Okay.
So this is showing the total amount. What is the total amount here?
Okay.
So total records, 2 records. So once you save it, then the status is entered. It's entered into the cash module, but it's not ingested into the AR module. So for this, you need to ingest this payment into the AR.
Yeah.
For this, you need to go this one, credit card maintain cash receipts, finalized to AR, last screen.
Okay. Can we go to the account receivable, that screen? How many accounts? No, you open one invoice screen.
That is the inquiry screen, just for searching for
Which one?
Inquiry screen.
Oh.
This one, AR customer inquiry screen. This one.
Okay.
In this screen, you can see the invoices for the particular account.
Okay.
All transactions will be available in the AR customer inquiry screen. So this is the screen. You need to ingest the cash into the AR.
Mm-hmm.
You can queue the this is section purpose, cash payment, because we have made the cash for the two accounts.
Right.
From date and to date is must. The currency is also mandatory. We made USD payment, right?
Right.
Here it shows the status, entered status. See, this is entered state. We are ingesting payment to this account and this account. Okay, these are in entered state. We need to ingest this amount into the AR. For this, you need to check.
See, it auto-populates those two records, right? When we search, click on search.
Just click on finalize to AR.
Okay.
Do you want to finalize cash receipt?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right?
See, the status is submitted to AR.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See the pop-up. Select cash receipt have been successfully submitted for finalization.
Okay.
Once we click on the OK, then the status should be changed to the complete.
Mm-hmm.
That means that payment is ingested into the AR. So for status is first entered, submitted to AR, next complete. Transaction number 2 records applied and saved. See, there is no records available with the enter state.
Right. Will it become complete?
Yes.
Will it change to complete now? Yes, I'll change. Okay. This change to complete also.
Yes. Status is complete.
Okay.
So the 2 records is
I'm just into here.
this one and
And one.
this one.
Okay.
These two I made it morning.
Okay.
Okay, this one and this one.
Okay.
That means this in payment is ingested into the
Yeah.
Now we
For
change
this account.
for this account and for this account. Two accounts.
Okay.
So now you can check whether the payment is really ingested or not in the AR. So for this, the initial screen is the accounts receivable is cash application. Take the control number. You can search with the account number also. You can search with claim number, credit memos, transaction codes. See, the transaction code is 50.
Okay.
The control number is we have provided that.
Okay.
See the claim and reference number, remittance number. We have provided the remittance number.
Okay.
The date of the ingest into AR.
The claim and reference number shown here. Basically, we haven't when it gets generated in that screen, claim and reference number.
Claim. He's teaching claims.
No, sorry, sir.
Claims. I mean, it's a
This
huge
remember-
topic, claims also.
It's also there.
Yeah, claims is there.
Okay.
This one you are asking about?
Yeah, why the
Claim
claim
number.
number is shown there for this account, but because
No, it's claim or reference number.
claim or reference.
But we entered that triple
Remittance
double three
number.
four in remittance, right?
Yeah, that is in the claim reference number. It's shown here.
No, it should populate in that column, right?
Remittance number.
Yeah.
I think no.
Remedy number actually question defect.
It's very long. But I need to check. So the ingested date is today's date, and the amount is ingested. $1 lakh, $1 lakh.
Okay.
So this amount is in negative,
Okay.
not in positive. That means the amount is credited into your account.
Okay.
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 If it is in positive, then you need to pay for that amount. All the invoices they are shown as positive amount only.
Positive, negative, not getting.
Yeah, negative means here you can see you can name it
With the
Brackets.
brackets.
Angle.
That means the amount is credit amount.
Which you
Negative
need
amount.
to pay
I'm
again,
not
right?
getting that.
Because that amount we have to pay.
The amount is credited to your account.
Account. Okay.
That means you have some amount.
Okay.
Okay.
It's still negative. That's what you're saying. Negative amount.
The negative
Not yet
amount.
completely paid.
Negative amount is means the credit amount. You have amount.
The amount which.
If you all the invoices, where is it? See, all the invoices in positive only. Positive amount.
Okay, got it.
So just like this is the debit amount, right? Shiva? This is the
Got
debit.
it.
That accounting rules are there, no? Credit the giver and debit the receiver.
Yes.
Okay, got it? So $1 lakh is available in your account. Here you can double click on this. It's navigated into the cash application screen, the next screen. In this screen, it shows all the transactions available in this account. See, the unapplied amount is $1 lakh. Using this 1 lakh amount, you can pay invoices. Yes, you can pay to the multiple invoices. Got it?
Whichever invoice we can select and
Yes. So you can have multiple payments here. Okay. This we created just now. These are the previous ones. You can use any amount. You can use this 311 amount, you can use the 1 lakh, you can use 219, 331 or 143. Using this payment and go into the AR modules and pay to the invoices.
See, you double clicked here, went to the cash
Applications.
we are in the cash application only, right?
Yeah, this is the base application. Here it shows only the payments. Using this payment, any payment, you can double click on this.
Yeah.
Using this payment, you can pay invoices. Here, you can go with this one, $311.
We have seen that many times today.
Deployment అవుతుందా?
Just restart this.
Restart.
Just refresh it.
This is your account. In this account, you have two invoices. One is with the amount of $1,000, another one is with the amount of $1,500. In the cash model, you have ingested one transaction with $1,000, and second transaction with 2,000, and the third one is 1 lakh transactions. Using this any transaction, you can apply this invoices. If you take, for example, you can take as $1,000, navigate through this $1,000 amount into the AR, then you are trying to apply the cash for this $1,000. The 1,000 will not allow.
100 and 1,000.
It's 1,000.
Actually, you అక్కడ 100 పెట్టారు 1000 should be 1000.
This one, na?
You're saying 1000 but it's
100.
100.
Your invoice is $1,000.
Okay, okay.
But you are navigating through this $100 also.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Just now you saw the transactions.
Yeah, but
And now you are trying to apply this $100 with the $1,000. But its system will not allow because you have less amount.
right.
For this, your scenario, you can pay $100 and the remaining $900 you can create as claim or short pay, something. Okay? From the original invoice, the 1,000 amount is deducted minus 100, it's 900. For this, a new invoice will be generated. With this original invoice. Understood? So,
Please explain once again.
see your account, your invoice is $1,000.
Okay.
You need to pay $1,000. But you have only $100 in your account.
Okay.
So you are navigating through this $100 into the AR models, and you are trying to pay $1,000 using this 100, but system will not allow to apply.
Okay.
Then you can create the remaining amount as claim or short pay. Okay.
Right.
Then the original invoice will close. Original invoice means some account, some SS1. This will close and SS2 will create with $900. Okay? You use your $100, then this 100 will close. After applying the cash into the by any invoice, then the amount will be closed. Nowhere in the system. If you navigate through this $2,000, okay, you can apply full payment of $1,000 and $1,000 to the party of $1,500, and you can create $500 as a claim.
By
Okay.
using $2,000.
Yes. The $2,000. You have $2,000. You are ingest into the AR things, and you know the invoice amount 1,000 and 1,500. You know the amount you have in the account, 2,000 in your account. The unapplied amount. Unapplied amount is 2,000, but the paid amount is 2,500. So you can pay 2,000 and remaining amount created as a claim or the short pay, some other things are there. If you go with this, if you take this $1 lakh amount, you can pay full payment. After this 2,500 amount, 1 lakh minus 2,500, that is 99. That will be there in your account still. You can use this amount and you can apply other investments also. Okay? Any questions?
Say for example, if invoice is 1500, invoice price, amount is $1,500 and we credited $2,000. If we are applying $2,000 to $1,500, it is as it for only $1,500, we don't need. When that is extra, it will be in our account also.
Yeah, it will be there in your account.
Two things scenario. One you asked, other thing this one opposite.
So in this scenario, $1,500, you are using 2,000 amount. That is with the 50 transaction
will
will
be a new invoice. Original invoice gets closed. If amount is more, then it will be in our account. Still original invoice gets closed. So
once the cash is ingested into the AR, that will ingest into the AR as a transaction codes 50, 50, 50, 50. For example, 50 transaction have 2,000 amount. Okay. Using this amount, you are trying to pay $1,500. That is full payment. The remaining amount is $500. The remaining amount will be available in the cash application with 50 transaction code again, 50 or something.
remaining amount will be
Remaining from this 2,000, the 1,500 will be deducted
Right.
and the remaining amount 500.
right
That will be there in the system.
system. Okay.
That will be available in the again cash application screen. The first screen, initial screen.
Right.
Using this 500 amount, you can pay other invoice.
It will create new row.
New.
New row.
Yeah,
50.
new record will be created.
Oh, new record will be created
New record will be created.
for 500.
This 50 with the $2,000 will be closed.
Okay.
And new $500 new record with $500 amount will be created in the cash.
Cash. Got it.
Using that amount, you can pay.
That will not be completed.
Yeah, you still have money.
Yeah.
These all information will be available in the AR customer inquiry screen. If you pay any invoice, if any transaction will be created, the transaction history is available in the AR customer inquiry screen. If you double click on any particular invoice which has already transactions, then all the information will be shown in there.
So Krupal, through $1,000, suppose we went into that AR screen. We have consumed 900. So what happens to this 1,000 here in the cash management?
1,000?
With $1,000 we went to AR. We have consumed 900.
900.
Remaining 100 should be there.
Uh,
So in cash management, what will be the row for 1,000?
row with 50.
Okay, that will be converted to 50. 500.
No.
He's talking about transaction
No,
codes.
No, with $1,000 we went to AR. We have applied invoices
900.
worth of 900.
Remaining amount 100.
100.
There will be a reach and rate.
Okay. What happens to the 1,000 row in cash
1,000
management?
will be deleted.
Okay.
So that's why I'm saying that. The 2,000 initially he has $2,000 with the 50 transaction code. You can use this payment and you can apply $1,500.
No.
The remaining amount is 500. That will be created new record and this will be deleted.
Okay.
This all information will be available in the AR customer inquiry screen. So what is the original amount? What is the amount you paid? What is the remaining amount? This all information is there in the
Transaction history.
transaction history screen. Got it?
Yeah.
I will do an assignment to you.
Yeah.
Anyone.
Yeah. Then I'm more than happy to do.
I have created only cash payment. Okay. You can create check payment and wire payment tomorrow. The same scenario, the same screen.
Credit and check. But credit card we can't. because
Credit card I will explain. I will tell you tomorrow.
Those details we can. We check we can try.
Check and wire payment.
Right.
The scenario is same, the screens is same, the flow is same.
If you get any doubt, you go to Jira and type wire in the defects.
Okay.
You pick up the defects which are in lease number. Earlier we have raised it. Their complete information will be there. Step by step we have given. Jira
The initial screen is
very good knowledge base.
cache is data entry screen, initial screen for this assignment.
Okay.
Under cache service module, this one cache is
So
data
we
entry.
have to work with the cache screen,
Cache receipt data entry screen.
cache receipt in.
The check and wire payment.
Okay.
Once you created amount, then that will be ingested into the AR. For this one, maintain cache receipt finalized to AR.
Okay.
The initial screen is this one, cache receipt data entry. Here you can create a payment for a check and wire, and then ingest into the AR for this screen, using this screen. Five. Tomorrow I will explain on the credit card payment.
Sir, can we open that KT progress document?
KT progress. సో అందులో మనం 11th నుంచి
The email.
డేట్ మనకి చేంజ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది.
మనం యాక్చువల్లీ ఏం కవర్ చేయాలి ఇవాళ?
Go with the correct.
ఆర్డర్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ 10th వరకు ఇచ్చాం.
Not the. It has the latest. date.
This is yesterday, sir.
30th.
This is cash reserves module.
We have seen cash payments via cash. That's all, right?
Yes. Wire
And
check.
overview of cash.
The
Cash.
this
And
this
also,
one and this one I have covered. In this scenario only I have covered cash. The remaining two I have given assignment to you.
Okay.
Check and wire. It's very easy. Just select the check or wire payment, give the amount, control number. Control number is 4 digits. And tab out, enter the 4 digits and tab out and enter the amount and account, whatever the account you want. Click on save. Save it, then the status should be in the enter status. Then navigate to the finalized ER screen, the last screen, the cash is module. So, set with the amount, date and select the records and click on finalize to ER.
fine. Say the records. Recording.